What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
Guys, we got 2016 Chevy Silverado, the 5.3 in it. And what we got done on it today is factory converter there and there with the dreaded third cat. We put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK on it right there. And then we did a resonator delete with dual black tips. There you guys go. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, much better. Sound decibels? 103. Again? Yeah, 103 was the peak. Alright, go ahead, Snoop. We'll let you guys see it on the inside. '16 Chevy Silverado 5.3, MAGNAPACK middle, rear resonator delete.